Okay, so this is question 11 on our quiz review. So to give us a little room, I'm going to screenshot this. And we'll go down into the blank space. Control, paste. Here we go. So we're going to have some room down here. What is the equation of the line perpendicular to this line? So when we see perpendicular, we're creating a line perpendicular to y equals 2x minus 6. So we got to look at the slope. It's the first thing we got to think about, because we know that the slope of the line that's perpendicular to the line with slope 2 is going to be, we flip it, right? We take the reciprocal, is another way to say it. So our new slope is going to be 1 over 2, because we flip it, take the reciprocal, and then change the sign. It's the opposite sign. So we'll be working with this slope right here. This is the slope of our line that we need to create, the equation we need to write. So we'll have, already we have y equals negative 1/2 x, and we're going to add b because we don't know what that value is. That's going to make this equation true using these points 5, 4. So what we got to do now is plug in our x and plug in our y so that we can find the value of b and plug it in. So we have 4 equals negative 1/2 times 5 plus b. Great. So we'll simplify. This is 4 equals negative 5/2 plus b. And again, like we did with the last one, we want this in the form of halves, like this one is, so that we can add them or subtract them together. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 over 2 is equivalent to 4. These are the same. And this allows us to add 5/2 to both sides. Right, we need to add 5/2. So plus 5/2 plus 5/2. This gives us 5 plus 8 is 13 halves is equal to b. So this is that value we needed for b. Now all we gotta do is plug this in and we get our equation y equals negative 1 over 2 times x plus 13/2. So this equation right here is the equation of the line that's perpendicular to y equals 2x minus 6, and it passes through this point right here, 5, 4. Because when you plug in 5 for your x and you plug in 4 for your y, both sides of this equation, this side and this side, are equal, so it's true.